who will be caught bullying other students will be subject to expulsion proceedings. Okay. And let me add context into that. Pinagkaitan ko ba silang mag-aral? Hindi naman. Habang karapatan ng pag-aaral, may responsibilidad ang karapatan na yun. Karapatan din ng ibang estudyante at mga magulang na magkaroon ng kapanatagan sa loob ng paaralan. Ligtas na school zone. So, 2, tinanggalan ko ba sila ng karapatan mag-aral? Hindi. Punta kayo sa Nabotas, punta kayo sa Malabon, punta kayo sa Quezon City, sa ibang bayan. Hindi naman bawal eh. Pero sa Maynila, you will not be accepted. More so, hindi ka tatanggapin sa UDM at PLM. But you can still go to PUP o mga state university. But your records will be shared to other schools.
Hindi ba ito in violation of the Republic Act 9344, yung minimum age of criminal responsibility?
That's the part different. This is now a school regulation.
Okay.
This is now a city ordinance with regard to protecting our students and giving peace of mind sa mga nanay at tatay at mga lolo't lola ko. Na habang tangan-tangan ng paralan ang kanilang anak ay makaramdam ng kapanatagan.
So there was an agreement last Monday during your meeting with all the school administrators.
And they are now going to come up with a solution by 2 weeks from now, no, Cesar? No?
Yes, yes.
They were guided.
With what solution?
That law,
Implementing.
that's going to be submitted before the Sangguniang Pangunasan.
When you see the ordinance?
Yes.
Okay, para may ordinance. So,
At saka ano talaga, hindi seryoso kami. Kaya mga bata, ako, huwag na kayo sumali dyan sa rumble-rumble, yung hawak tenga, hawak ilong, yung pitik bulag. Iwasan yung mangbuli because there will be no future for you in Manila. I'd rather be strict to a few to protect the many. Sabi nga, ano sabi? Meron ba lawyer dito? Ano sabi sa Latin na Duralex?
The late mayor did.
Ngayon. Duralo.
The law should apply to all.
Hindi, yung the law may be harsh.
Maybe harsh, but it is not.
But it has something to do with, it's more on the policy that we are now creating is not more on discipline. It's more on putting safety, precautionary measures so that those kids will have second thought of participating into gangs o magpatayo ng balahibo sa dibdib. Feeling macho, sika. Think twice. Di ba yung, kasi kami ng mga bata, balbon ka. O nga, medyo astig.
Sa PNM nga, bawal na itattoo yung estudyante, hindi na-accept eh.
I don't know. That I don't know. They have their own rules. But we were going to make a universal rule in Manila. Kaya sa mga magulang na nanonood, pakisabihan niyo po ang inyong mga supling na magiging maigpit at hindi lang po maigpit, sobrang higpit ang syudad ng Maynila sa mga ganitong klaseng unnecessary activities being done by a student or a group of students inside the school or outside the school. Bakit outside the school? Doon nag-aabangan eh. Tanda ko, pare-pareho kami lumaki sa kalsada. Doon naabangan sa kanto yun eh. Kaya nga nagkakaroon ng rumble eh. But if they're involved, registered, their name in the police report, they're going to be subjected to expulsion proceedings. Kaya ang mangyayari dyan, Kaya mapansin mo yung Executive Order number 29.
Oo.
Halo-halo. LESPO, PTA, teacher, school, city government, MDSW, barangay bureau. Mapapansin mo yung composition
Oo.
ng Executive Order number 29. Medyo malawak para sharing of data within the government agency and information.
Pero the city ordinance, mas may primary ang national law of application natin.
At yung criminal liability, civil liability doesn't affected. It does not be going to be affected by an existing or future ordinance of the city because it doesn't speak of criminal and civil
Sa
liability.
school lang.
Ito, yung aming diskresyon
Okay.
na tumanggap ng estudyante hindi ay ma-maximize namin. Meron pa kami discretion?
Meron.
Kasi may capacity yung estudyante, may capacity yung school. Meron pa kami diskresyon na mapapanatiling ligtas. Opo. Tingnan po ninyo yung Section 16 of the Local Government Code. The local chief executive, as always, look into at all time, at all times, what you call the general welfare clause, Section 16. Kaya hindi lang siya may kapangyarihan, obligasyon pa namin siya. Kaya ma-maximize namin yun, basta mga bata huwag nyo nang subukin. Kasi sayang. Although, hindi naman masasayang ang kinabukasan nyo, pwede pa rin kayong pag-aralin sa ibang bayan ng may mga public school. Or even, maybe you can afford to go to private school. But not in our part.
So you're ready to confront these potential opposers to this future ordinance yun, you're ready to face with them na ito aking argument, you cannot change my mind.
Well, everybody has its own opinion. And I respect that.
Okay.
But my obligation is to protect any student. Rich, poor, or middle class. Doesn't matter. Life is life. We must, if there is an opportunity for us to do something, and it may not be perfect, diba? And sometimes it may sound harsh, but, ewan ko, Ma'am Marichu, kung naniniwala kayo, sometimes as leader, you have to bite the bullet. Or sa salitang kanto, minsan sa buhay, sa liderato, maasim man ang suka, kailangan mong inumin. For the greater good.
Greater good for the greatest number.
Sa harap naman, kabisado mo lahat. Ang dami mo na pala mayor na. Talagang, nahalata ka.
Ito naman yung obligasyon ng local government, bahay pag-asa. Kayo ba may bahay pag-asa to rehabilitate these children in conflict with the law?
My God, hindi pa sila nag-i-exist ng bahay pag-asa na. Hindi pa sila city. Ano pa lang sila? Purok, yun na yun. Purok pa lang sila. Meron ng Maynila. Boys Town, Manila and Girls Town. It was expanded already, pati ating mga unloved kids, unloved babies, unloved seniors.
Saan yun yung Boys Town?
Marikina.
O kaya nga.
We own it.
Ay, you own it.
We own it.
Ay, ito sabi ko.
Yeah, it was,
Ilan na nandun mo?
Marami rin. Pati yung mga nanay na iniiwan ng mga kaanak.
Oo.
Sa kalsada.
Oo. So, parent naman yun.
Yung mga senior citizen natin,
Oo.
na imbes na nasa kalsada,
Oo.
kinakalingan natin.
Saan? Sa Boys Town?
Sa Boys Town din.
Oh, so,
May sarili tayong eskwela.
okay, doon.
At ngayon, nagtitraining tayo with test. We have this type of facility. But, you know, in as much as we can, we don't encourage them na masarap ang buhay sa Boys Town. But the truth of the matter, at least doon, may gwardiya ka na,
Oo.
may higaan ka na, may chicha ka pa. Oh, kompleto ka doon.
Oo. 3 times of
Oo. Tapos pagka sinuwerte ka pa, may donation pa yung mga organization.
Yes. So, how many ang nandoon mo yun?
A few thousand kids, a few hundred seniors, and a few hundreds mga nanay. Kasi iba-ibang building yun eh.
Maraming computer.
Malaki.
Malaki.
23.
Ha?
23
What?
hectares.
Malaki pa na.
About 10 hectares ang occupied. There is about 11 plus hectares open space.
Wow, ang laki. So, anong plan mo doon?
We continue to utilize it.
So, yung mga...
Yung isang ni-request ko sa Philippine Sports Commission, yung ano namin swimming pool, Olympic size, may Olympic size doon.
Meron?
Saka track and field,
Oh, yeah.
meron na ma-rehabilitate.
Oo.
O tutulungan naman kami ni Chair.
Oo. Pero I saw you with First Lady dun sa bigas.
Oh, the First Lady is going around the country
Oh.
twice already in Manila,
Yeah.
giving bigas for our people. So I'm happy to
National government pala yun.
national government yun.
On top
Iba
of-
pa yan, on top of the bawat bayan makikinabang. Meron na tayo nun.
Oo.
Ini-implement natin yun.
Oo nga.
Nakaka-second tranche na tayo. We still have 4 tranches. Ini-implement na. On top of this, done by President Bongbong Marcos under the LGSF program.
Yeah, yun nga.
Gumagawa pa si First Lady ng sarili niyang lakad
Oo.
ng additional tulong
Oo.
sa mga mamamayan. In this case, nakadalawa na kami sa Manila. I think sa Quezon City, nakadalawa na rin.
Oh, yeah.
She's going around.
Magkano natanggap ng Manila doon sa LGSF?
Oh, well, unang-una, we were one of the first who received 500 million pesos
Oh.
to build. Kasi pera namin, pera nila, nagsanib.
Oh.
To build pamantan sa lungsod ng Manila College of Medicine, which is now being built.
May College of Medicine doon. Nag-graduate lang ako eh.
Then, your daughter, son
Oh.
will be happy. Because dati-dati doon lang sila sa PLM.
Oo.
We built a specific building for them alone.
Saan?
Sa tabi ng ospital ng Manila.
Kaya pala may construction.
Bakit ang makisuyo mo?
Ang hospital ng Manila.
Di ba brand new?
Oo.
Yung diniyo nating ospital
Oo,
ng
yeah,
Manila.
oo.
O ngayon, yung luma, tinurog na natin. Tinatayuan natin ng eskwelahan.
Yung pala. Yung old building. Okay. Meron yung ginagawa din yung mga, di ba, yung Skyway na connector.
Sa harap.
Oo.
Sa harap. All the way to Rose Boulevard.
Nakita ko yung sa hospital ng Maynila, nawala yung mga puno.
Yung iba, pinutol. Yung iba, bowling ba tawag? Then, of course,
Ba't nagkakagulo pa rin sila dyan?
wala kang perfectong mundo. Laging pag may ma talaga eh.
Oo.
May masasabi.